Okay, so we're in this JIDA neighborhood, and I'm kind of just checking out the apartments. We're not too far from the ocean. We're about 1 block away. So we're gonna walk down this palm tree lined street in JIDA, about 1 block away from the beach. And we're starting out at this spot that's filled with all kinds of shops, restaurants, and definitely people. So let's go check out another sites of Zhuhai. Okay, we have a Zhuhai, China video for you, and this is in this area called JIDA, which is along the water. So I'm going to put that up on the map right now. And in this particular video, what I'm doing is I'm just I get away from the ocean where I filmed the last few videos of Zhuhai, and this one I'm just walking through the neighborhood so you can get an idea of the apartments and kind of what it looks like in the JIDA area of Zhuhai. And so yeah, that's on the map, and what I'm going to do is play it to some music, some highlights of some of the whole area that I filmed, and then we'll just go right into the walk and talk where I walk and I kind of comment on all the stuff around me. So anyways, another Zhuhai one. I know you love it. Let's go check it out. Okay, so we are going to walk down that little pedestrian street. There's lots of people. It's lined with palm trees, as you can see. Lots of people everywhere. It's a Saturday. And I don't know if people are visiting Zhuhai, because we are maybe just like it's 1 city block away from the beach. So we're inland a little bit in this JIDA neighborhood. And I'm kind of kind of curious about this neighborhood because you do have a city beach, but it does, the last few videos that I've done of Zhuhai have been that beach. So I'll connect up at the end of this video. You'll be able to see other Zhuhai and that beach in particular. So I'll have them in thumbnails at the very end of this video. If you just want to see those right away, you can go there and take a look. Okay, but in the meanwhile, I'm gonna just kind of show this palm tree lined street in JIDA part of Zhuhai. It's like pigskin. Lots of fresh fruits. Duck. Okay. So we're checking it all out. Give you an idea what Zhuhai looks like a little bit if you've never seen it. There are a lot of streets in Zhuhai with this palm tree look, like nice wide boulevards. I think it's because it's somewhat of a new city compared to other cities in China that have a really long history. Huh. Like a beef butchering table. Okay. So we're going to go all the way down to the end of the street because this will give you an idea. If I see the name of the street, I'll capture it on camera so you can see. Oh, these are kind of cool. These are little communities. So those communities, people kind of have their own little world there. So they just came in from that space. So they have the little space with the walls in there so that the kids can play outside, and they're still within the neighborhood. There's not cars going through. It's kind of cool. You'll see like ping pong tables in them, like outdoor ping pong tables, lots of outdoor spaces. China's kind of cool like that. Okay, we're gonna keep on walking down. Okay. More stuff. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna go up. Spicy hot pot. Yeah, that's one thing I really like about China is that you have a lot of residential mixed in with a lot of restaurants, and then you got, you know, convenience stores like 7-Eleven, barber shops right there. Okay, so we're almost at the end of our street here. It's like there's a little space for bikes and for steps. We'll take the step one. So you kind of get an idea of JIDA. Nice places to sit as well. Coffee shops, apartments, Holiday Inn. So there's a hotel. So somebody could stay at that Holiday Inn and walk all the way to the beach. Might be a 10-15 minute walk probably. But you can also rent all these bikes. So you'll see a lot of people with those. Over there you'll see green and yellow bikes. And a blue bike. Those are all rentals. So you can rent those bikes, and then that way you can get around without having to walk the whole way. So yeah, the Holiday Inn is straight ahead. You can see that giant green square. And now we're just in another slice of Zhuhai, and we're gonna come out to the end of the street. And you can see lots of other tall buildings everywhere too. And then mountains. So there's mountains to the left, and I'm gonna show you the mountains to the right in a minute as well. But yeah, I kind of like this feel of JIDA because I think there's like hiking trails up in those mountains too. And you got these tall apartments, really tall ones. And then we're gonna just walk over here real quick. I'm just gonna show you the mountains on the other side as well. So right there you can see mountains directly that way, right there. There's a Holiday Inn Express, and then mountains right there as well, straight ahead. I don't know how well that looks in the camera, but so that was our street in JIDA. Hope you liked it.